Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best cordless car polishing machines in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cordless car polishing machines that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Ryobi RDP18018V1 plus Cordless Detail Polisher. The Ryobi RDP18-0 Cordless Detail Polisher is a compact and efficient tool tailored for automotive detailing enthusiasts and DIYers. Running on the reliable 1+18 volts battery platform, this tool offers cordless freedom while delivering a solid performance with its 7,800 RPM speed. Whether you're removing swirl marks, light scratches, or just giving your car a final polish, this polisher gets the job done without the hassle of cords. What stands out most is its lightweight design. At just 1.3 kilograms, it's easy to maneuver, even during extended polishing sessions. The auxiliary handle provides extra control, which is especially useful when working on curved surfaces or tight spots. Ryobi also included an LED work light, a thoughtful addition that ensures visibility in dimly lit garages or shaded areas of your vehicle. Switching between polishing and sanding modes is simple, thanks to the optimized 2-speed switch. While the tool doesn't come with a battery or charger, it's a great add-on if you already own other Ryobi 1+ tools. Overall, the RDP18-0 is a great choice for car enthusiasts looking for a lightweight, cordless solution for regular polishing and minor paint correction tasks. It may not replace a heavy-duty rotary polisher for professional use, but for weekend detailers or light-duty touch-ups, it's a powerful and budget-friendly option that delivers excellent results. Moving on at number 4. We have the Greenworks 24 volts cordless buffer and polisher. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0cwq8lny9. The Greenworks 24 volts cordless buffer and polisher 3,513,802-3P is a well-rounded detailing tool that combines user-friendly design with impressive polishing performance. Designed for hobbyists and casual detailers, it stands out for its cordless convenience and included battery and charger, which means you're ready to go straight out of the box. No extra purchases required. This buffer features a 10-inch pad spinning at a maximum 2,800 RPM, making it effective for both polishing and buffing applications. Whether you're restoring a car's shine or giving a bowling ball a deep clean, the machine handles smooth surfaces with ease. The ergonomic handle and soft grip enhance comfort during prolonged use, while its lightweight body, just over 4 pounds, keeps fatigue at bay. Compared to traditional 20 volts models, the 24 volts motor provides 20% more power and longer runtime, which is noticeable when working on larger panels or multiple vehicles. The on/off switch is easy to access, and built-in overload protection adds a welcome layer of safety. One of the standout features is the included set of 4 buffing bonnets, making it easy to switch between tasks without buying extra accessories. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the Greenworks buffer adds peace of mind to performance. At number 3, we have the Craftsman Cordless 10-inch Buffer Polisher. The Craftsman Vi20 Cordless Buffer Polisher, CMCE 100B, delivers reliable performance in a well-balanced, ergonomic package ideal for both beginners and seasoned car enthusiasts. Designed with a powerful motor that delivers 2,800 orbits per minute, OPM, this orbital polisher ensures a swirl-free, consistent finish, perfect for waxing, polishing, and light correction work. What sets it apart is its 10-inch pad size, which covers more surface area in less time. This makes it an efficient option for detailing full-size vehicles, boats, or even larger surfaces like RVs. The integrated splash guard also helps keep product mess to a minimum, an often overlooked feature that proves very handy during heavy-duty polishing. Comfort is another strong suit of the CMCE 100B. The wheel-style handle with overmolded grips makes it easy to hold during extended sessions without fatigue. Combined with its moderate weight, 6.19 pounds, the tool feels sturdy but not cumbersome. The variable speed dial provides added control, allowing you to tailor the performance to the task at hand. Though the unit is sold as a bare tool, no battery or charger included, it's compatible with Craftman's V20 battery lineup, making it a cost-effective addition if you're already within their ecosystem. At number 2, we have the Milwaukee 273-820M18 Fuel Cordless Polisher. The Milwaukee 273-820M18 Fuel 7-inch Variable Speed Polisher delivers a solid mix of power, control, and portability tailored for automotive professionals and serious detailers. As part of Milwaukee's M18 fuel line, it's engineered with a brushless motor that delivers consistent speed and performance under heavy workloads, all while maximizing battery efficiency. With a top speed of 2,200 RPM, this polisher is more than capable of removing oxidation, swirl marks, and fine scratches from car paint. Its variable speed trigger allows for precise control, which is critical when transitioning between cutting and finishing pads. Despite its power, the tool maintains a comfortable grip thanks to its balanced body design and smooth operation. Weighing around 7.5 pounds, it's heavier than some other cordless options, but that added heft provides a stable polishing experience, especially helpful on vertical surfaces like car doors and side panels. The 7-inch pad size offers a large working area, reducing the time it takes to finish a full vehicle. The big win here is the cordless freedom. No cords dragging across paintwork or limiting your movement around the garage. While the battery isn't included, it's compatible with Milwaukee's M18 system, convenient if you already own their tools. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt 20 volts Max XR Cordless Polisher. The DeWalt 20 volts Max XR Cordless Polisher, DCM 849B, is a standout tool for automotive detailing and surface polishing. Designed with a brushless motor, it delivers efficient performance and excellent runtime, ideal for pros and serious DIYers who demand consistency and control. One of its most practical features is the variable speed control, with a no-load range of 800–2,200 RPM. This allows users to fine-tune the speed based on the material or application, from buffing out swirls on a car's paint to polishing windshields or fiberglass. The combination of a trigger and dial-based speed system offers unmatched precision, especially for beginners who need more control during delicate stages. Weighing just 4.8 pounds, this polisher is surprisingly lightweight for its class. The ergonomic rubber overmold on the gear case improves grip and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. It also minimizes the risk of surface imperfections, which is critical when working on high-gloss finishes. The included 7-inch backing plate covers a good surface area without being unwieldy, and the ability to hold the tool from either the front grip or side handle adds flexibility in tight spots. What sets the DCM 849B apart is its cordless design. No more worrying about dragging cords across freshly waxed surfaces or being tethered to a wall outlet. However, since it's sold as tool only, you'll need to buy the battery separately, something to keep in mind.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.